Hi, today I am going to give you a lesson on the case named Carlill versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company. This is the most basic and interesting case ever I had learned in my LL.B honors. It is one of the fundamental case of contract law. Let's see. The Carbolic Smoke Ball Company published advertisements in the Pall Mall Gazette and other newspapers on November 13, 1891, claiming that it would pay £100 to anyone who got sick with influenza after using the ball 3 times daily for 2 weeks, according to the printed directions supplied with each ball. £1,000 is deposited with Alliance Bank, showing our sincerity in the matter. Mrs. Carlill, believing in the statement made in the advertisement, purchased some smoke balls and used them according to the directions and caught flu. Thereupon, her husband asked for £100, but the defendant refused and the action was brought in the court. The defendant raised the following arguments to demonstrate the advertisement was a mere invitation to treat rather than an offer. Number 1. The advert was a sales puff and lacked intent to be an offer. Number 2. It is not possible to make an offer to the world. Number 3. There was no notification of acceptance. Number 4. The wording was too vague to constitute an offer since there was no stated time limit as to catching the flu. Number 5. There was no consideration provided since the offer did not specify that the user of the balls must have purchased them. The Court of Appeal unanimously rejected the company's argument and held that there was a fully binding contract for £100 with Mrs. Carlill. Among the reasons given by the 3 judges were: number 1, that the advertisement was a unilateral offer to the entire world. Number 2, the satisfying conditions for using the smoke ball constituted acceptance of the offer. Number 3, that purchasing or merely using the smoke ball constituted good consideration because it was a distinct detriment incurred at the behest of the company, and furthermore, more people buying smoke balls by relying on the advert was a clear benefit to Carbolic. Number 4, that the company's claim that £1,000 was deposited at the Alliance Bank showed the serious intention to be legally bound. Thank you so much for watching the video, but this is a reminder to everyone: this video cannot be the substitute, rather it can be a supplementary. For more help, I will suggest you for private tutoring, and I will really glad to have the chance with you. Thank you so much.